Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy, and if you are here, that means you want to see how I tie my hair wrap. I call this style the Queen Nefertiti because it makes me feel so royal and so regal, and I love the crown effect that I get after I finish tying it, and I'll show you how to do it right now. To begin, I have a standard African hair wrap. I think this is the standard length. All companies have this length. So if you're looking for like a hair wrap, you know, this is it. I got mine from the African fabric store that's near my house. So if you have a local one or if you know an online shop, you can pick one up. And so what I do is I take the hair wrap and I place it behind my neck. Behind my hairline, I should say. Under my hairline, covering my whole head, like so. Cover my whole head. And after it's parallel, I cross them over. One goes under, one goes over. Simple, right? Not too tight, not too loose, because you don't want to slip off your head. Okay? And then the same way we crossed over in the front, it's going to be the same way we cross over in the back. One goes under and one goes over. And our crown is forming. Do you see that? How regal. Royalty is in the house. So now here is the easiest part of this whole, well, you know, this is the trickiest part actually, because the tucking part, you gotta find a good little spot to tuck the ends in, and we hope that it doesn't slip out throughout the day. Now, I've never had any issues with that before, it's slipping out, but you gotta find a good, ooh, God is good. We found a good spot. And that's it. Feeling like royalty already. And you could bring this as high as you like. Form it the way you want. There we go. Okay. This is my favorite wrap style. If you follow me on Instagram or if you follow me on Facebook, you know that in almost all my photos, I'm wearing this with this wrap. This is my favorite wrap so far to date. And so this is it, guys. Look how fast and easy was that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I'm feeling good. Got nowhere to go, but this wrap is so easy, and you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to a I've worn this to a function before, and I've got so many different compliments for it. I've worn it to the corner store and got compliments for it too. Like everywhere I go, somebody's like, "Wow, your hair looks nice. Your wrap looks nice," and they're like, "How you do it?" I'm like, "Well, I'll make a video," and I made a video. So hey, here it is. If you end up doing this style, I want you to tag me. Tag me on Instagram at itsdubb, that's ITSDUBBAU. It's W on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you like it again, tag me. I'd love to see what you've come up with. And if you put a little twist to it, let me know too. I'd love to see. All right, so enjoy. I hope you like this video and try it. Let me know how you liked it in the comments below. Let me know if it was easy. Let me know if I should make another one. Let me know what you think, okay? Have a great day. Have a blessed day. See you guys. Bye.